this one seems perfect.
You might get the impression that we use these adventure bikes only to go on adventures, to travel the world and go off-road. But in fact, we use these bikes as daily riders too, and this day is no exception. And I'm joined by Krišjānis from Modern Nomad, and today he has a task to go to the factory where they make the hammocks, to do some final touches on some new products. And I'm joining him to do a photo and video shoot of said new product, but we are making a little adventure out of it all. So we have all our camping gear with us, and we will go find some nice place, stay for the night near the factory, and in the morning we'll show you how these hammocks are made, and who knows, maybe find an adventure on our own. So welcome behind the scenes to a day in the life of a modern nomad. Let's go! This is a perfect opportunity to use the Stegra app, because we don't want to go on highway, do we?
No.
No, we don't. So what we do is just fire up the Stegra, find a beautiful place where we can camp tonight, and I think this lake will be perfect. Just tap there. What do we want? Adventure, right?
Oh,
adventure. Yes. Add from current location to here.
Please proceed.
And that's it. Let's see where Stegra takes us. Beautiful, beautiful Latvian forests. Of course, if you know me, I have to try this. Okay, there was no point of doing that.
Tur nav jābrauc, jā? Es cerēju, ka tur ir jābrauc.
Nē, tur kāds mājas. Okay, so much about that. There's even a rainbow for us. We are in the east of Latvia, and it's usually the winters are longer here, and so the snow has just recently melted here, and the gravel tracks are quite muddy and slippery still. Have to watch out not to end up in a ditch. Sometimes Stegra wants to do extra loops on the map, which is fine if you have a lot of time, but we are losing light, so we choose to skip some of these loops. But as soon as you ride your new road, it recalculates the path, and you're back to navigating to your original destination, just like Google Maps. I noticed one more interesting thing. Usually when I'm navigating the old way using the map, I'm always aware where I am. But right now I'm in a sort of exploration mode, because I really don't know where we are. I've never ridden these roads before, and it's kind of interesting. Oh, look at that sunset. Beautiful. And as the sun is setting behind this tree line, We thank Stegra for this nice little detour via some beautiful forest roads, and we're about to arrive at the lake that I found on the map, and apparently there's a little gazebo and a place for our hammocks and a nice end to this day, just in time for the last light. And here is our lake. There should be some cabin or something. What the fuck? Okay. There's a bridge. Okay, what could go wrong? Oh, slippery planks. And some planks are missing. Piece of cake. And welcome to our place for the night. Nice. By the lake.
Take a sip of a tree. It's a sip of a tree, you know.
It's a sip of a tree.
We Latvians, we drink trees.
Three sip.
Three sip. It's a sip, sip, sip.
Sip, sip.
By the way, it is not a very good idea to bring a milk with you in a classical Tetra Pak. No, it's all good. But I think it's the last moment. It's so it's like a paper soap.
Almost. We almost made a cappuccino inside
no.
your bag.
A buttoncino.
Buttoncino.
And a trifellocino.
Okay, let's set up camp.
Yo. And it's done.
One epic morning and a coffee later. We're ready to go back to work. Let's go to the factory.
So, the thing that we are trying to solve here, everyone knows just hammocks, and you have underkilts for them, so you can sleep actually in them during winter or just camping. We want to attach the underkilt to the hammock, so it is really easy, fast and simple to set it up. The challenge is to actually sew it together the way it works properly. So it has to be fluffy, but it has to be close to your body. It shouldn't be too loose or too tight. So this line is not straight. It is curved. Yeah, that's the thing we are solving here. Okay, the moment of truth. Okay, and this one seems perfect. Let's go to check it out in real life.
Okay, the product is finalized. Let's go back to the forest to do some photo and video shooting of said product. But first, Stegra, of course. This time we don't have so much time, so instead of the adventure routing, I chose the curvy one, which is only tarmac, and let's see to what roads Stegra takes us with this setting. This is twisty, alright. It's just not tarmac. I don't mind. Deer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I suppose this could be a Latvian speciality, even if you choose to ride not gravel roads, you still end up on gravel roads. So no, you don't need a street bike in Latvia, you need an adventure bike, or at least a scrambler. Check this out, just found out that my old Carpe controller works with Stegra. I can now zoom in, zoom out, browse around the map. Nice. This used to be a railway back in the day. I think it was closed in the 90s. But now it's just a gravel road. We used to be able to ride this railway until Riga, but I think it is closed to public transport at some point. not here yet, but I think the closer you get to Riga, it will be only open for bicycles. And that's it. Only for bicycles. And now we are looking for a location to film our hammock stuff. Ooh, stop. I don't think this will be it. I think we have found our spot. Okay, this is it. The shoot is over. It might look like nothing, but we're actually tired. Let's go. So this is it, as the sun is setting and the day is ending. So is our little couple of day work trip. Let's go home and see you in the next one.